Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy Peter, but you can call me Joy. So today I'm going to be telling you things that I actually miss, and the people I miss so much now. Like I'm not hear from them at all. Like even through phone or something. I not hear from them. The people apart from my family, okay, like friends, like back then in school, and my friend Vanessa actually he tell me, and I should say the truth. He tell me to tell you everything that happened uh back in primary and secondary school. So I'm going to be telling you some few stories. I remember back then in primary school, Jeffrey. If you are Jeffrey, no, not any other Jeffrey. And if you know me, Joy, don't tell me you didn't like. Don't. Not just come, just watch him. You hear your name, and in fact, any Jeffrey now at all liked it because I miss him so much that I like. Even when I still in Nigeria, I still like, who is this guy? Who is this guy? Who is boy Jeffrey? So they one day I will come go their compound, but I was thinking, I say, just see the disaster. Me, I not go knock for like person else will come put the door, you come begin tell me, so are you looking for? Ah, I can't risk. So I just left. So Jerry was a kind person. He always dey look for my trouble. They call me stick sweet then. I mean now I don't they part. They call me stick sweet or stick broom. Then they call him short man because I thought pass him. So it was such a wonderful person. Like he always dey like Joy, tell me something. Like e always dey there wey be like say maybe I just dey mood like this or just dey class through maybe during break. I no just dey do anything. Maybe Hausa groundnut dey throw Hausa groundnut dey drop my mouth. Either e carry the Hausa groundnut just begin run. Na mostly because that time if you run, no matter I go catch you. So most people wey no sabi me that time for school, they always say, hey, that girl wey dey run, that girl wey dey run, that girl wey dey run. So when everybody nobody who do want nobody want who know the name. So even if they know now, that girl when they run, they mostly call me. So my friend not they like that thing. Because if I not fit call her Dre, when they call her that girl when they run, you don't know that girl when they show me that girl when they run. She run past me. So any small thing, maybe I dey eat something, you just carry the thing, you just you go sky, you go just begin run. And me now I no get that time. Cause I know say I will get them back. I dey pass through a house. If you dey eat anything, I know it's how they do make either the food go tire am or you go run. I remember one say time be like say they come back from school like this. Mama say, you didn't keep something yo. That na only one just did the house, you with small brother. Or she just dey say, now this way your market for you. Now so you just carry the plate of the food. And then this baby you for sure me around the compound. Me, I still ready for that. I just still dey run. He call time say, I beg just bring the food come. No what we'll gather it. I say, you eat my lunch, so I'm going to eat yours today. That in pain her. Since that day, if you want carry anything run, we just if you go where you go run reach, you can't give me back. You say take. I beg don't do me to you do me that time. So I miss Jeffrey. In fact, that be the number one person. So the number two person I don't miss him at all. But anytime when I remember like wetin happen, I actually say this brain na very one kind of person who understand. His name na Richard. So back in secondary school, they mostly they call her rich man because all the old girls, they like him. And me and I still know right from primary school too, but we not close. You understand? In my own I just see am pass. I know say na my classmate, but we not just the flow or the talk. Me, I no even know if person like that dey exist. I'm not sure if you even know whether person like me sef dey exist for the school. So we no just get into that. And na only when for primary six na second government school na primary six dey no you like primary school, private school I mean. So na when we wan write exam na the teacher come put me and come carry me and Jeff come from one place, come put me and this boy put for one seat. Imagine if na one person wey sabi something put join me now, I will still dey happy, but no be better person who carry join me. So we come stay and go enter the same secondary school. So I no come dey see Jeffrey again and also where my school come dey far, so I come dey that side where my school dey. I come dey there. So I no even know how Richard come take dey go the school because I no fit know where their side dey. Maybe their side first dey near the sha. Well, I not to know like that. So the thing be say they come dey call am rich man for wetin I no know why. So come dey secondary school now, girls dey like am, they wan near am. So and him too dey come close to me. So all the old girls wan dey be my friend based on say they know say we sabi body right from primary school. So most girls wan come close to me just to get close to am, blah 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 and all. So then come tell me say he like me. I come and say no, I no want. Come tell me say we do okay, no problem. Say we do for school, only school oh, we just pretend say we dey so that girls go leave and say he not tire. And I say and wetin you need be this now? You need am now. So you don dey get am, you tire from her. So he come say abeg. Then that time we be like say no, if you know me that time, but not just come find my trouble because I'll give you back to back. So even one girl when she would try say me and that girl, the rest girls let me go fight with that one, say it's my boyfriend, leave him alone, blah blah blah. So when they come use me now, nobody will come close sef. Nobody there. No be say I dey boast o, but na just the truth na wetin happen. But nothing actually happened. After secondary school, everybody find your own way, you know. So I actually missed the moment and wetin happened then. Not be him. You understand? Because na very annoying person, very annoying to me. Oh, I don't know then. You always dey disturb my life. They too dey bother me. Joy, hey, wetin happen? Hey, no, just want talk, understand? So you know wetin want talk. So you instead you dey bring different wetin not concern me, wetin happen last 5 years. You want ask me, you want tell me, blah blah blah. I no want know. And so maybe what I believe say with city cause am because say then for primary school get one person wey they come dey bully one certain side. I can't see they use that eye they look am, even when I know say it can't later change after primary school. But I can't see, maybe now wetin come make me not to they give am time, but we can't still be cool friends sha. So the last person wey I miss this person. How that feel? My sister break this guy heart, and my cousin sister actually break the guy heart, and the guy very nice person. He dey do everything with my sister. Tell me, may I tell you wetin my sister not like? He say because the boy is short. Imagine short. They shop am. Now I can't tell me now this boy, the boy don't dey talk say now he don't dey like am. He reject why he reject the guy then. I tell am say no, na good for you. You see better person that time. You not like this very nice, so very caring. We do smell. You go say, Joy, oh go drink pepper soup. The sister not like me. This was after secondary school don't finish one. Or I can't do wedding plan at that time. I was a wedding planner. I was planning everybody. You know when I plan your life, so I go help you planner. So I will do everything. So because I'm go drink pepper soup. So we go drink pepper soup. And you don't plan to drink pepper soup for Aduawa. No, sorry, it's not Aduawa. na Ramat side, just past Guinness. Bless now, my that pure water, you record that area that time, be Agbo Park area, from somewhere like that. Hey, what do you pepper soup? Gift miss. But I still carry the pepper soup, go still give Dre for us. At last, see, not that feel bad for me. Cause yeah, go it. I say, buy am for me, not be you. I call and say that boy a very nice person. I really like my cousin sister then, but now I did see the people why they find now. Nah, that other thing with Jeffrey, I don't even miss that boy. I don't know if Jeffrey, if you dey watch this video and you know yourself, saying that you are the talk about. If you not find me, where I catch you. Definitely, I know say one day for life I could send you, but I don't know when I will see them for my life again. But that is the way I really mix, and I mix them too much. And Ugo, I miss Ugo too. Ugo not be my, we not did the same school self. We just through that might say my cousin sister that I take no one was actually a nice person. If they make that person will be like saying they laugh himself by himself. Go just tell you say, I know say I be like 6 weeks. You go feel one pass one road and I go talk. Oh, I too fat. And I always slim person. So they see the boy self and they get hope. That time will not be now at all. They get body. So the people I really miss. So I still mix the Richard though, but not be like that. Because me and not your close, even if they bother me well. I all like the disturbance. Now only the disturbance wey they disturb me that time. I just miss that part and waiting happen along the way of those period. So I miss that, and I miss Ugo, I miss Adafe, and the number one person is Jeffrey. Even if I not see you again for my life, but you people should know you are always in my heart. So I dey make sure all the old boys blame that. I know say person come begin the thing say you know make sure guys, because then all my friends are guys, so I don't dey play with guys right from the one they come. So that's why I still get guys as friends, so but it's not that like the boys on part. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening to my video. So if you get any story more than want to know about what happened back there and some things, you can just comment and let me know. You understand? And I will tell you all the details. I promise I will tell you everything how it take happen. I will not lie. You understand? So thanks for watching my video, and thanks for liking, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Bye.